Hi, my name is Valerie Fawnensteel, and I teach at Santa Fe Middle School. And I am a teacher, and the school is in Newton, Kansas. And I have been teaching there for 5 years, but I've been in education for 18 years. Why did I want to start a career in education? I have always wanted to be a teacher, but I love helping people. And I love especially helping kids and just helping them learn and grow. And I just love helping them expand their minds. If I could have any other job, what would it be and why? Um, wow, that's tough. Um, I really don't know that I'd want any other job because I just love helping people. For me, it would probably maybe be a full time college professor. I do have my doctorate, so I do teach college part time. But again, it's still in education, so that might be what it is. How are kids different now than 30 years ago? Um, well, 30 years ago, it was about when I was in school. So um, I would say kids learn differently um, just because it was more sit and get. We didn't do a lot of like centers and a lot of things like that. So kids just the way kids learned were a little was differently. Kids weren't different, but we learned differently. Now kids learn different. But look at technology and how things has changed. So kids today are fed more in their mind. So we've got to change the way things are done. How is teaching different now than 30 years ago? Same thing. Since what kids are seeing and being fed through what they see and what they hear, then we as educators have got to change as well. So our teaching has got to keep up and got to change along with that. So teaching is totally different now. We can't just do the sit and get. Can't just stand up and Bueller, Bueller. We can't just be that monotonous teacher that teaches like that. Um, what I would tell someone that is wanting to become a teacher, um, it is a very tough job, but it is very rewarding. Plan on long days. Um, plan on um, days where you're ready to give up, but plan on it being the most rewarding, fun, um, loving, exciting thing you could ever do in your life because it is an amazing job. Um, what is one thing that I would change to help kids learn better? Um, One thing I would probably change is, wow, maybe just a free public education. I know that there are so many things that we say are free, but then there's so many things that um, they're just so many hangups where there are so many things that we have to pay for. So teachers, for instance, have so many things they have to pay for, and it's just so tough on people. And then parents have to pay for so many things to put their kids even in a public school. So I just think that it would be nice if we had to where it was just so much cheaper for people to send kids to school. And even if kids that wanted to go on beyond school, that would be awesome.